Shopping. Do you like shopping? Not really. I believe it's a waste of time, and I just go shopping when I need to buy some daily necessities. Who do you go shopping with? I go shopping with my friends. I like them for advice when I'm not sure what I should choose. How often do you go shopping? I go shopping every 2 weeks. I take the best of the supermarket nearby, and it takes me about 20 minutes to go there by birth. What do you like to buy? I buy sportswear, shoes, or snacks like yogurt, or sunflower seeds. They are my favorite. Sometimes I buy books or CDs. Where do you like to go shopping? There is a supermarket called Peace Plaza near my home, and I go there for shopping. Who does the most shopping in your family? My mother does shopping frequently, and she buys food, drinks, shampoo nearly every week. What do you think of online shopping? Well, I am afraid that my money will be taken away from my account as the security of the credit card is a problem. But I have to say that online shopping saves me a lot of trouble. I feel that something is missing if I do not go shopping. Shopping is the nature of every girl. I always buy. We stay at home and buy what we need. The price is always low, and we save a lot of money buying the same item. The main advantage of online shopping is that it allows people to browse through many items and categories without leaving their house, to compare the prices of as many shops as they want, and also to order as many items as they can afford. The online shopping websites also deliver the things to buyers' home. Furthermore, the internet is open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. So you don't have to hurry or worry about finding a parking spot. Thanks for watching.